Hey guys, welcome to another video on Java for Beginners. In this video we're going to be talking about the do-while statement. So do-while looping statement is almost similar to the while statement, except for the fact that the while looping statement executes the set of statements based on the condition only if the condition is true from the very first time. So whereas the do-while statement executes the block of code once for the first time whether or not the condition is true, and from the second time onwards it checks for the condition if it's true or false. So the while loop executes statements only if the condition is true from the very first time, and whereas the do while loop executes the set of statements irrespective of the condition for the first time, and from the second time onwards it checks for the condition. There might be cases where you come across where you would want to execute a block of code for the first time irrespective of the condition, and from the second time onwards check the condition, and based on that carry upon your execution. So the syntax of do while is, first you say do and then you write your opening and closing braces. Oops. It will just auto-generated it for me. And here in the do block you say whatever needs to be executed. Again, we might say count equals count plus 1. So in the while loop, in the while statement, we specify the condition similar to that how we specify for the while. In the previous video we say count less than 6. So always remember to add the semicolon after specifying the condition in the while parenthesis. So what this does is it executes this block, the count is equals count plus 1. It executes the set of statements in the do block first time irrespective of the condition whether it's true or false, and from the second time onwards it checks for the condition while count is less than 6, and again repeatedly executes the set of statements in the do block. And we can run this and see for ourselves. Yeah, it gives out 6. So the best way to demonstrate this is you can also try and print each and every time. So there's only one difference between the while and do while apparently, that is that the while loop executes only if the condition is true from the very first time, whereas the do while loop executes irrespective of the condition for the first time, and from the second time onwards it checks for the condition. So you get the point, right? And be sure, don't forget to close the semicolon after you specify the condition in the while statement. And that's it about the do while statement, and see you guys again in the next video where we'll be talking about the for looping statement. So till then, take care, bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe.